Have you ever dreamed of running your own business? From your bedroom. Imagine earning in dollars while living anywhere in the world. No office, no warehouse, not even a single product in your hand. Sounds unbelievable? Yet thousands of people are doing it every single day through a business model called dropshipping. But what is it really? A goldmine of online income, or just another internet illusion? Stay with me till the end, because what you're about to learn might just change your life. Dropshipping is not just a business. It's a digital revolution. It allows ordinary people to build global stores without touching inventory or dealing with shipping. But here's the twist. The path to success isn't as smooth as YouTube gurus make it seem. Behind every success story, there's struggle, strategy, and sleepless nights. And today, we'll uncover the real truth of how you can start a dropshipping business in foreign countries and turn your dream into profit. So tighten your seatbelt. Because what's coming next isn't a fairy tale. It's a roadmap, raw, real, and ruthless. This is your moment to step into the world of international e-commerce. Let's begin. What exactly is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a business model where you sell products online without keeping them in stock. When a customer orders from your store, you buy that product from a supplier who ships it directly to your buyer. You never touch the product. You just manage your online store, marketing, and customer service. It's like being the bridge between a factory and a shopper, and earning profit every time someone crosses that bridge. But don't mistake simplicity for ease. Dropshipping looks simple on paper, but in reality, it demands strategy, patience, and vision. You must know how to find high-demand products, trustworthy suppliers, and reliable global shipping methods. Many beginners fail not because the model doesn't work, but because they rush in without understanding the battlefield. So before you dream of dollars and success stories, ask yourself, are you ready to learn the game before you play it? Because this business rewards those who prepare and punishes those who don't. The power of foreign markets. Most beginners start dropshipping in their local country. But what if I told you the real money lies abroad? Countries like the USA, UK, Canada, Germany, and Australia have millions of online shoppers willing to pay premium prices. The traffic is huge, the audience trusts online brands, and the profits can skyrocket if you know how to enter these markets the right way. Foreign dropshipping allows you to earn in strong currencies, like dollars and euros, which means even small sales can bring huge profits when converted to your local currency. The key is targeting specific countries where people love to shop online. Imagine selling eco-friendly products to Europeans or home gadgets to Americans. The opportunities are endless. But remember, every powerful market has fierce competition. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. You'll need the right tools, market research, and patience to build trust in these regions. And if you can do that, you'll unlock income beyond imagination. Finding the winning product summary. Successful dropshipping journey begins with one magical product, the winning product. This is the item that captures attention, solves a real problem, and makes people click that buy now button instantly. But finding it isn't luck. It's research, testing, and intuition. You can use platforms like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Spocket to explore millions of items. Look for products that are trending, unique, and emotionally engaging. Ask yourself, does this product make life easier, better, or happier? The more emotional value it holds, the higher the chances it'll sell globally. Don't chase fads, chase needs. Because trends fade, but needs never die. If you can identify what people in foreign countries truly want, you'll never run out of customers or profits. Building your online store. Once you've found your product, it's time to create your digital empire, your online store. The best platforms for this are Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. These let you design professional stores without needing to code. Think of your website as your store window. It should look clean, trustworthy, and attractive. Choose a simple name that reflects your brand. Add clear images, strong product descriptions, and honest reviews. Customers in foreign countries value transparency. If your store looks cheap or fake, they'll never come back. Every button, color, and image should whisper, "Trust me." And remember, your store isn't just about selling. It's about storytelling. Tell visitors why your product matters and how it'll improve their lives. That's how browsers become buyers. The secret of marketing: you can have the best product and the most beautiful store, but without marketing, no one will know it exists. The real power lies in how you present it to the world. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, and Google ads are your golden tools. These platforms help you target foreign audiences with precision, create short, emotional videos that trigger curiosity, make people stop scrolling. Your ad should make them feel something: excitement, laughter, or relief. That emotional connection is what makes them click and buy. Don't sell a product, sell a feeling. Marketing is the heart of dropshipping. You're not just running ads, you're building relationships. And once customers trust you, they won't just buy, they'll return. Managing orders and shipping now. When your orders start rolling in, the real work begins. Your supplier ships directly to the customers, but you must ensure smooth communication. Platforms like AliExpress, DSers, or Oberlo automatically connect your store with suppliers, making fulfillment seamless. However, foreign shipping can be tricky. Delays, lost packages, and customs fees can hurt your brand. That's why it's crucial to work only with suppliers who have proven reliability and fast delivery. The reputation of your store depends on how happy your customers feel when their package arrives. In this business, trust travels faster than parcels. Keep your customers updated, respond quickly, and turn every problem into an opportunity to earn loyalty. Scaling your business. Globally, once you've found a winning product and consistent sales, it's time to scale. Scaling means multiplying your profits by expanding ads, exploring new countries, and introducing more products. This is where small stores turn into real brands. You can reinvest profits into better video ads, influencer collaborations, or even custom packaging with your brand logo. The more professional your brand looks, the more foreign customers will trust you. Eventually, you can even switch from dropshipping to holding small inventory to increase margins. Remember, the goal is not to stay small forever. The goal is to evolve from a simple seller to a recognized international brand. That's how legends are made in the e-commerce world. Common mistakes to avoid. Most beginners fail because they expect overnight success. They copy others, skip research, and panic after small losses. Dropshipping tests patience. It rewards learners, not quitters. So avoid chasing get-rich-quick dreams. Focus on strategy, testing, and consistency. Another big mistake is ignoring customer service. One bad review can destroy your foreign reputation. Treat every customer like gold. Reply fast, offer refunds when needed, and always stay polite. You're not just selling products. You're building trust in a global market. And finally, don't give up when ads fail or products flop. Every failed test brings you closer to the one that works. The only real failure is quitting before you win. Dropshipping isn't just a business. It's a test of belief. Many will doubt you. Some will laugh at your dreams. But when that first order notification lights up your screen from another country, you'll realize you were right to believe. You don't need money, luck, or magic to start. Just a laptop, internet, and courage to begin. Success in foreign markets isn't about where you live. It's about how far you're willing to go. Every empire begins with a single step. Maybe this is yours. So if this video gave you even one spark of motivation, don't let it fade. Subscribe now, because in the next episode, I'll reveal the exact step-by-step process to launch your first international dropshipping store.